Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to give you the best recipe for the perfect crepes. So let's start, but first make sure you are subscribed, like this video, and turn on your post notifications. Let's go. So first you need 1 cup of flour, of all-purpose flour. Okay, you need 1 cup. I'm going to put 1 cup, and then you need a little pinch of salt. You can take that much. It's so small. And then we're going to need 1 big tablespoon of sugar. So that's 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now you need to melt some butter. We're going to take this and a little more butter, a little more, a little more. Make sure it's 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and now we're going to just take that a little, and right now we're going to melt them. And right now we need 1 cup of milk. So it's 1 tablespoon of milk and some water. We put this here. After adding 1.5 cups of milk, we're going to add the melted butter. We add it, and now we mix them really gently. There is one more ingredient to put, and let's add, right now we're adding 2 eggs, 1 and 2. Before mixing them, it's optional, okay? You can add vanilla, it's optional. I'm going to add some cherry liquor as vanilla because I do not have vanilla, so I add this. It's better because we have eggs over here, so I take 1 tablespoon, and let me just put that away, and we mix. So you need a pan. You need to put a pan on fire 10 minutes before actually putting the mixture on it to actually make the crepes. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you how beautiful the crepes will look. Okay, and it's really tasty. Just look at how good they look. I'm not finished yet, but just, oh my god, just look at those little masterpieces. Look how good you can do this. Oh my god. So good. So I just put Nutella and I'm going to eat it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So good and so delicious. So that was everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And also I wanted to say something before closing out the video, is that you can do the crabs thin or thick. It depends on how you like it. And you can put Nutella, Kinder, Oreo, anything you want in them for sure. So yeah, that's a quick recipe also. And yeah, that was everything for today's. I hope you enjoyed, and if you're going to try it, comment down below, subscribe, turn on your push notifications, like this video. See you in my next video. Goodbye.